2024 tax refunds. In today's video, we are going to go over all of the potential IRS notices you may receive if you are under review. Make sure you stay tuned and welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. If you are receiving this particular status on the WMR, we apologize, but your tax return processing has been delayed beyond the normal time frame. More than likely, the IRS is holding your tax return for further review. You may see on your IRS online transcript code 570 followed by 971, which means the IRS will be sending you one of these potential notices: CP 2000, letter 2030, CP 2501, letter 2531. Now, the review process by mail is in 3 steps. First, the IRS will send you a notice to tell you about a discrepancy found during the comparison of your tax return and your payer information. The notice will explain the issues and what you need to send the IRS to resolve that discrepancy. Next, you need to read the letter and follow the instructions. Submit your explanation and all of the documentation requested by the due date in that particular notice. If you do not understand anything in that notice, you can call the number that will be listed as well. And finally, number 3, the IRS will review your reply, and if they need additional information, they will notify you. Now, notice CP 2501 or letter 2531, the IRS sends this particular notices because your tax return does not match the payer they have on file. CP 2000 or letter 2030. This particular notice means that the IRS is proposing a change to your tax return. It states that the income or payment information they receive from third parties such as employers or financial institutions does not match the information you reported on your tax return. This discrepancy may cause an increase or a decrease in your tax return, or it may not change your refund at all. The notice will also explain what information the IRS need from you to make a determination on whether they are going to make a change or not. Understanding CP53 notice. This particular notice means the IRS did try to direct deposit your tax refund, but the financial institution could not process it. As a result, the IRS will do some research to make sure that your return is valid. It states that when refund payments are questionable, they do a review, which can take 8 to 10 weeks to be completed. Understanding CP87A notice. Now, this particular notice means that the IRS send you this notice because they receive a tax return from another taxpayer claiming a dependent or a qualifying child with the same social security number as a dependent or qualifying child listed on your tax return. Tax refund help. If you are having any issues and you need to contact the Internal Revenue Service, you can contact them at 1-800-829-1040. For forms, tax forms, you can call 1-800-TAX form. You can also visit the IRS.gov website for those forms as well. And you can always contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service if you're unable to resolve your issues with the IRS directly at 1-877-777-4778. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to come back for more tax refund updates. Bye-bye.